been faffing around.
Been faffing, a lot of faffing. I can hear you, but I can't see you. So you're behind to the side of the wall. Perfect. Really low.
Slightly back here. I'm not to say what happens is it makes them runs. So it makes Mal's kick drum sound super clicky. So if that sounds super clicky, we've had change beaters today, but I've taken the EQ off, so it should sound the same. But just be aware that there's a bit of kind of room. This box is just like a big.
Be aware, it's tested out.
Okay. It sounds to me like I've got the ambient.
So that was a long-winded version for it sounds shit.
No, it's not shit, it just sounds really live. It sounds like the ambience mics are on, but they're not.
Okay. Oops, sorry, there's children there. I didn't say that.
Give us a bit of time then, Mal, let's see how bad it sounds.
I'm pretty bad!
Translate.